Today's topic is mean, lecture 3. What is the first question? First question is that question number 9 from exercise 13a. The mean of 10 numbers is 14. Three of the numbers have a mean of 4. The remaining 7 numbers are 15, 18, 21, 5, m, 34 and 4. Find the sum of the remaining 7 numbers. Then how to do? What we know, mean equals to sum of data divided by number of data. So mean of 10 numbers, sum of 10 numbers divided by 10. Do the cross multiplication, the sum of the 10 numbers 10 into mean. So here is given 10 numbers, mean is 14. So 10 into 14 is equals to 140. Next part, 3 of the numbers have a mean 4. Mean of 3 numbers, sum of 3 numbers by 3. Do the cross multiplication, you get 3, the sum of 3 numbers, 3 into mean, 3 into 4, 3 4 is 12. So the sum of the remaining 7 number, how to find out? Here you have the sum of 10 numbers and here you have the sum of 3 numbers. So 10 minus 3, 7. The remaining 7 numbers you can find out by 140 minus 12. 140 minus 12, 128. So that are the remaining. So which are the remaining numbers? 15, 18, 21, 5, and 34 and 14. So what you get before 128? Write down 128 here. Do the calculation. M equals to 21. That is this math. Next math. The mean monthly wage of 7 experienced and 5 inexperienced workers. So how many workers are here? 7 plus 5, 12 workers. Very good. Next, 1000. That means their mean salary, monthly salary is 1000. What we know, mean equals to sum of data divided by number of data. Mean monthly wages of 12 workers will be sum of monthly wages divided by 12. The sum monthly wages will be 12 into mean. 12 into 1000, $12,000. Mean monthly wages of 5 inexperienced workers it's given that 846. The sum monthly wages divided by 5 as per this formula. So do the cross multiplication as like before. 5 into mean, 5 into 846 is 4230. Now what you get? Mean, the sum of 12 workers and sum of 5 inexperienced workers. So if you subtract this, then the remaining part is 7 experienced workers. The sum of 7 experienced workers will be 12,000 minus 4230, 7,770. Mean monthly wages of 7. So if you want to find out the mean equals to what? The sum of data divided by number of data. So sum of monthly wages divided by 7. So what is 7,770 divided by 7? That is 1,110. Go for the next. Last math, most important. The height of 3 plants A, B, C garden are in the ratio 2:3:5. Their mean height is 30. Their mean height is 30. So mean equals to sum of data divided by number of data. So since the mean height will be sum of the height of 3 plants divided by 3. Do the cross multiplication here. Mean is given, that is what? 30. So instead of mean, input the value 30, we'll get 90. Now, how to find out height of plant B? I make it just not a formula, corresponding ratio. That means you want to, if you find out for A, you have to write 2. If it is B, then write 3, or C, write 5. Sum of the ratio 2 plus 3 plus 5. Total, what is the total here? That is that total, 90. So you get 27. Number 1 done. Number 2. Number 2 is if another plant D is added to the garden such that the mean height of the 4 plants is now 33. Now how many plants? 4 plants. Previous 3 and now 1, 4. So mean height will be sum of height of 4 plants divided by 4. The sum of height of 4 plants, 4 into mean, cross multiplication, 132. Now height of plant D, how much? Here we get total 3 and here is total 4. Subtract 132 from 90, 42. Today's lecture is up to that. Hope you will understand. Just practice the exercise 1. See you on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.